Imagine waking up to find your company suddenly owes billions in unexpected taxes. That's exactly what's happening to America's biggest tech giants, thanks to Canada's bold new digital service tax. Starting this year, tech behemoths like Google, Amazon, and Meta are facing a whopping 3% tax on their Canadian revenue. We're not talking about pocket change here. This new tax could cost U.S. tech companies a staggering $7.2 billion over the next 5 years. The tax applies to tech companies making global revenues of €750 million or more, that earn at least $20 million from Canadian users. Every digital service, from online advertising to social media platforms, falls under this new rule. For perspective, Google alone could be looking at annual tax bills exceeding $250 million from their Canadian operations. Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, might need to shell out around $200 million yearly. But here's what makes this truly fascinating. Canada isn't alone in this move. Countries worldwide are following suit, challenging the traditional ways tech giants have operated globally. This marks a significant shift in how digital economies are taxed, potentially reshaping the future of global tech business models and international tax systems.